Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning. And if it's the first time, you are warmly welcome. And I hope you join this amazing family after watching the video till the end. Family, today on our menu we have a simple Ghanaian dish called Anwa or rice pilaf. Without further ado, let's get into the video as I take you through my simple steps and my recipe. You will love it. Go nowhere and let's enjoy this cooking. First of all, I have my saucepan ready. I'm adding my olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'll go ahead and then add my chopped salted beef and salted tilapia for flavor, okay? Ooh, we've just started it and the aroma is everywhere. I'm going to stir. Mmm, amazing. I will stir until the salted beef and salted tilapia turn golden brown, just like so. And I'm going to add my spaghetti. Yeah, I'll break them like this. I'm adding more because this is my daughter's recipe, her favorite recipe. Yeah, I'm going to stir as usual and I'll lower the heat at this point so that it doesn't burn. And very soon I'll add my white onion. You can as well add the onion first before the spaghetti. It's all up to you, okay? But this time around, I don't want the onion to be brown or golden brown. That is why I've added it after the spaghetti, okay? So I just want the flavor in there, yeah? So it's up to you, as I've said earlier, to add it before the spaghetti or not. It's looking all good. I love the flavor. The aroma is amazing. Ooh, wow. I'm going to head to add my water at this stage. Just like this. And I'll give it a gentle stir as usual to combine everything beautifully together. At this point, I'm going to head to add my curry powder just like this for flavor and for color. This is a popular request by my daughter and she likes this recipe so much. It's her favorite Anwa recipe and she calls it yellow rice. Whenever I make it for her, I can see the way she smiles and enjoys this awamo or her yellow rice as she calls it. Family, I'm adding salt to taste and as usual, I'll stir to combine everything to make sure that the salt is evenly distributed. Everything is so on point and I'm so loving this. I'm going to head at this point to add my washed rice. And if you want your rice to be single grain and non-stick, then make sure to wash your rice under running water if you can until the water is clear before you use it, okay? So far, if you're enjoying the video, family, don't forget to comment on this video, okay? Don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to join this amazing family, all right? And make sure to also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos, okay? If you are new on this channel, I'd love to have you here. So please click on the bell button and the subscribe button to join this amazing family and enjoy my amazing recipes. All right, you are warmly welcome. Enjoy your stay. Ooh, this is so aromatic. The water has dried out, so very soon I'm going to cover the rice with my parchment paper and kitchen foil. This smells amazing. My house is so heavily right now. I'm so loving this. After covering the rice with my parchment paper, I will then add my napkin so that it will help trap the heat for the heat to cook the rice to perfection. Okay, so once it's cooking to perfection, let's go ahead and make our tomato and pepper sauce. I've got my tomato, my scotch bonnet pepper, my onion, I've got my bell pepper, the red one, and I've got a little bit of Maggi cube. I'm going to add salt to taste and I'll go ahead and blend it. Whilst it's blending, let's fry our egg, okay? And my ingredients are butter, eggs, scallions, the white part of the scallion and white onion. I've got red bell peppers chopped into pieces. I've got salt to taste and fresh whole milk. I've also got my seasonings and I'm going to crack the eggs. And guys, we will continue from there. To keep watching in order not to miss a step. And I'm so sure you love this recipe because it's amazing. After cracking the eggs, I'll go ahead and add my other ingredients to it. And first is my white onions and the white part of the scallion, chopped red bell pepper, my fresh whole milk. Adding the fresh whole milk to my eggs, wow, brings a whole new taste and flavor which I enjoy the more. I've added salt to taste, and now I'm going to add my seasonings, and in there I've got chili, garlic, and salt. Okay, I just love the combination, it's one of a kind. It looks so beautiful. I'm going to whisk it to combine nicely together. Wow, this is so quick. It's time to fry our eggs. I've added my butter to the frying pan. When it's completely melted, I'll then add my egg mixture just like this. This is so aromatic. My house smells so magical. For freshness and crunchiness, I'm adding scallions. You can as well use any vegetable of your choice. Okay, this is so beautiful. It's time to turn it over. Wow, this is amazing. Family, we are done frying our egg, and let's go ahead and check on our rice. Wow, look at that. So thick and heavy and aromatic as well. So flavorful. Now let's check the rice and see. Ooh, this is also amazing. Guys, look at that. In no time, our Ghanaian rice pilaf or amamo is ready. For lunch, for dinner, oh my goodness. I love the flavor. I love the aroma. It's time to serve myself, and you are all invited. Where are your plates? Where are your bowls? Oh my goodness. Don't just watch the video, but rather give this a try. You will love it. It's amazing. The flavor is so full. I love everything about this rice pilaf or amamo. It's so outstanding. Wow, the flavor is so aromatic. My house is so heavenly right now. My goodness. For more of these videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Follow me as well on Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for us to build this amazing family together. Wow, this is so inviting. I'm already salivating. Oh, it's so appetizing. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, enjoy. Please don't forget to share this video for others to see this amazing recipe, okay? And I really appreciate it. Bye, you all. Mwah. Kiss.